Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today is a continuation in my DIY Dollar Tree planner series. I want to make a note that the planners that I share with you guys that I'm setting up, I've either used at one point in time or I just simply want to share an affordable option with you guys. So the ring planner, the mini happy planner, the bullet journal setup that I recently shared, those are planners that I've used at one point in time, and I wanted to share with you guys how I would set them up as we all draw inspiration from each other. But as far as this option plus the notebook option that I showed, I wanted to show a more affordable option, as you know, we think that planning has to be expensive based on what we see and what people put together. It does not. Ultimately, planning needs to be effective enough to crush the chaos in your life. You need a tool to help you crush your goals, get done whatever you need to get done. So that is what I love to bring to my channel, and I love hearing what you guys have to say in the comments. Your suggestions are always great as well. So that's what we're doing in this video. I went to Dollar Tree again and picked up some things. If you guys would like to see what was in this initial setup, I have some stickers here. I have the binder inserts here, and I did see some comments on these, so we'll get to that in a second. And the binder itself is also from Dollar Tree. So just to share with you guys some of the new stuff that I picked up, I got some double stick tape. I also have this Avery glue stick on hand. I'm just gonna take this out. This glue stick is huge, but I love the Avery brand, so for $1, not too bad. I also got these heavy duty clamps, which I'll get to in a second. That is not from Dollar Tree, don't know how that got in there. And then I got this writing tablet. I saw this as a suggestion in the comment section. And then I got this 2020 monthly planner, which I've actually done a video with this before, but I have another idea in mind, so stay tuned for that. I found this glasses case, which have inspo for that. And then, of course, a crafter's dream, which is the Dollar Tree chopping mat. One of my favorite YouTubers when it comes to affordability in general is Coupon to Provide. I love her DIYs, and she currently has a Dollar Tree series that she's doing. This video is not a collab at all. I love drawing inspiration from other crafters, other planner girls, and she used this as a pen pouch, which I thought was super dope. And she used the clamps for, you know, when you don't want your things to shift. So I picked these up for that purpose. But all the rest of this stuff, I'm going to make it my own and share with you guys. But if you guys love affordable options, check out Coupon to Provide. She's one of my faves. I've talked about her on my channel for years. I love her stuff. So I'm so happy that she's back in crafting and is sharing her talent with this YouTube community, because she's absolutely amazing. So let's get started with what I'm going to add. And I also have a video coming, as I drop things, I also have a video coming on Dollar Tree options of what you can use. But if you guys think that my ideas are going to be something, I'm telling you, Coupon to Provide, the stuff that she comes up with is like out of this world. So while Dollar Tree does have the regular writing tablet, I decided to go with this. I love this paper because it's double-sided, but also it's white. So with the white paper, adding stickers and embellishments, I love the idea of that on here versus the yellow paper. I just don't like yellow writing tablets, so I love this one. And this is going to go right here in the back pocket. If I can get it up here. Let's see. Okay, it's my nails. Couldn't get that. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to stick that there, and it's pretty snug, and when I close it, it's still good. We're still good. So there we have it. Now, the comments that I received in the last video about this paper as far as the quality, yes, we know it's not the best quality, but it'll get the job done for what you need. And I also saw a suggestion of taking this, because the month paper comes with so many, was to take this and glue it or tape it in between here on the month, and to have the month followed by the week. So we're actually going to give that a try. We're going to see if it works. That's why I got the double stick Dollar Tree tape. I wanted my adhesive options to be what you could find in the store. And I also want to make a note, yes, I know that all Dollar Trees are different, and what I may find at mine is what you may not find at yours. But shop around if you can, look around and think outside the box. And when I say think outside the box, look other than the stationery section, because you'll find so much. I didn't find that shopping mat in the stationery section. Nope. No, I did not. Okay? So you can make it work. So here is 1 month here. And what I'm going to do on the back is tape one of these monthlies, well, these weeklies. And to do that, I'm going to line it up. I dropped the clamp, so I'm just going to use this jumbo paper clip that I have. You could use any kind of paper clip, but I'm going to line this up, and then I'm going to place the tape. This is not working at all. Well, obviously, Lakia, because it's not clipped to both pages. Hold on, let's try this again. Y'all, I swear, I am like, I cannot get rid of this congestion. Do you guys have any remedies for congestion? Because I'm always congested. It's annoying at this point. But anyway. All right. Let's see. And I like tape over glue simply because while the glue is repositionable, it's just something about the tape that I like. So I'm just going to lay that flat there. And then I think down here at the corner, it's going to need a little something, something. Is this not sticking? Wait a minute, Dollar Tree. I know this tape works. That's why we're experimenting together, y'all. Alright. Now the Dollar Tree, not the Dollar Tree, the tape that I usually use for my crafting when it comes to double-sided tape, I just found some at Daiso, which was great. But before I was using it from Joann's, and I really did like it. So now that I think that's together, this does make the page a little bit thicker. There is some shadowing, but can still make that work. And I'm just going to come in here on this side. Yeah, I don't really like this right here. This is like absolute foolery right now. Alright. That didn't work. Maybe smaller pieces will. Okay, and then another piece there. So here we go. We have the month, then we have the week. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Fair to say that. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then we get back into that monthly. So we're gonna have to tape it again. Yeah, because I was thinking that there's 2 options of what you can do. Is that you can, you know, just tape the next month on here, or you can, yeah, I'm not gonna fumble with that. Let me tell y'all, crafting with my nails is not something that I have gotten used to since I went back to my gel nails in October for my birthday. I'm not used to it, but I cannot wait. My nails have grown out significantly since then, so I can't wait to trim them down but just get back to my natural nails. So you can easily take this paper. I'll show you 2 options. So for this one, we're going to do the calendar. I do like that this comes with a lot though, because then it's like a trial, you know, trial and error. The whole fun of it, guys. I am going to move this page away from this though. There we go. It's good. And then of course, bring my tape over here. And I think I'm just going to use smaller pieces for this. It'll all work the same. So there we have it. And I'll put a small piece in the middle. Like so. So it's peeling up, but we're gonna smooth it back down and we're good. So there we have it. And then we go into the next month and repeat the process. Now for this, I think that you could simply like not even interfere with this part here. I mean, you could if you wanted to just do the whole paper. I think it's pretty much the same width, give or take on the back a couple extra, like a 1/2 inch left off on the side. So I would take the easy way out with this and not even bother to punch holes. Not even gonna bother to punch holes. I'm just literally going to put it over here and then line the paper up. This may be a little too much modifying for you guys, but you know, it's okay. Again, you work with what you have. And then I'm just gonna come in with scissors, and you don't need a paper trimmer for this, even if your cutting is not straight, because thankfully you have this as a guide to help you. And if you wanted to have filler paper, you could do the same thing. So, and this is cool to even do, like, if you don't want to do this, if you want to use the photo paper that they have, if you wanted to print something and stick it on here, that's an option. If you wanted to do just regular blank paper, you could do that. Or if you wanted to have like a monthly list here, that's an option. But this is also great in between those months that you don't necessarily want to do a specific monthly dashboard for. So that is that. So we have 1 month done. So that's cool. We're getting there. We're getting there. So I do like the idea of the taping. I do like that. But if you wanted to keep your monthly and your weekly separate, you could still do that. You could have your monthly here and then take that blank paper or that photo paper, literally just buying photo paper, and then to decorate it, you could take wall decals, or there's lots of poster board like stickers at Dollar Tree. You could use these kinds of stickers. There are cards that you could use to take pieces of and cut up and put on your dividers. There's gift bags that you could take apart and put them on your dividers for each month and have it like that, and then have 2 sections for your monthly and your weekly, and that would work all the same. And then for this in the back, if you didn't want to leave this here, again, you could just use this as a guide to make a section of filler paper and hole punch it. And they do have single hole punches at Dollar Tree. I know that they are very hard to come by at Dollar Tree, but all of the ones that I have, all my single hole punches have been purchased at Dollar Tree. So also check out Dollar General or Family Dollar. You'll be able to get one for under $2. Well, $2 or something like that. But for my Dollar Tree shopping, I definitely like to shop around. I like to go to more than one Dollar Tree. So what I typically do is, if I know that I'm running errands, I will think about all the places that I want to stop and how many Dollar Trees are in there. And if it's in my time schedule, usually when I'm running errands, I have time to do whatever I need to do anyway. So then I'll go to the multiple Dollar Trees and see what is there, and what I don't think is at another one, I'll go ahead and pick it up, because in the end, you can always return it to any Dollar Tree. So I just go ahead and pick up everything. Now, if you don't want to do the binder, I do have an option coming on this monthly format, so stay tuned for that. We're going to do a couple more additions to this for making dividers and things like that. So this is just a quick little update of what I purchased and how to work with those monthly pages inside of there, but just some ideas in general. Again, would love to hear from you guys in the comments section, so feel free to leave any suggestions you have on what I can or should add. I definitely check them all out, so thank you guys so much for leaving your thoughts there. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, as well as the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.